Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are in Vegas. We're staying at the Embassy Suites, and I'm about to go check out the pool. There's a little Elvis down there. It's very cute. Pack your bags, let's go. Catch your flight. Whoa. Music loud. Moving fast. Okay, so I just got back from the pool. AJ's still napping. I can hear him snoring. I'm gonna take a quick shower. I wasn't gonna get my hair wet because I just washed my hair yesterday, but if you're in the pool and you don't get your hair wet, are you really pooling? Are you really doing it? I had to do it, but. Joes, can you see the fish? He doesn't care. There's only like 4. Oh, look, this little orange one's following us. It's coming with us. Should we go see what kind of snacks we have? Ooh! All the snacks. Soup? Do you want some tomato soup, babe? They have a lot of it. I need a water. Food eats first. Look at these yummy quesadillas.
No, phone doesn't eat first.
Phone eats first.
AJ eats
Phone eats some of these potato chips. Bye, Las Vegas. Until the morning light. Moving, grooving all night. Morning. We woke up in Phoenix. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, you want to go get some breakfast? Yeah. Let's go get some breakfast. Good morning, guys. So I just was in the shower and I heard banging, and it's the window guys out here. Let me show you. I think they've actually, there's the cord. They've moved up to the next level. But I was thinking, I'm glad I shut the blinds before I walked out of the shower and they're cleaning the windows. I do gotta say, I hope you guys get paid well because it is hot out there. We're in Arizona right now. And I don't know exactly what the temperature is, but to be hanging on the side of a building, washing windows, you'd have to pay me a lot. Actually, I don't think there's an amount of money for me to get. I'm scared of the heights. Like just hanging there by this cord in a little box. No, that's just, it takes somebody special person who is not me. Anyways, like I said, we're in Phoenix. I think I might have told you guys that already. But AJ is working, he's at his course, and I am going to go try and find us a grocery store to get some real food, because we have been door dashing way too much. And yeah, so maybe I'll find us something. We don't actually have a microwave in this hotel, but we'll figure something out. We have our fridge, so I'll get us something good for dinner, and then I need to get something for lunch as well. But yeah, we'll go see what's nearby. I was going to have lunch or do something with my sister, but I know like this was a last minute kind of trip. We didn't know we were coming here till like last minute, and I know she has like all my nephews are in basketball and doing all that stuff, so I know she's super busy, so it's fine. I think they're actually going to be coming to Memphis for with their basketball team. So hopefully we'll be able to catch up and see them then when they come to our home state. But yeah, so I'm just going to go find a grocery store today. And that is the plan. I know this vlog is kind of, we're not doing anything exciting. Last week it was my birthday. We were in an Airbnb, and then we got the news that my mother-in-law passed away from a very unexpected heart attack. So, and that was like later in the day, we found out on my birthday. So it was kind of a happy, sad ending. But at the same time, AJ had like a really good perspective about it. He's had other, you know, family members who have passed away, like his grandma and grandpa, and they're the ones who actually raised him. He lived with his grandma and grandpa growing up, and he never remembers the dates. That's one of the reasons why he wanted to get married on Valentine's Day, so that he never forgets our anniversary. So he was just saying, he was like, even though like, you know, he's sad and, you know, he lost his mom on my birthday, but he's like, I always will remember the day that we lost her and we can celebrate her life on the same day as my birthday. So I decided, okay, I'll share it with her. No, yeah, so I didn't vlog very much. I just kind of was trying to be there for him, and we just kind of chilled at the Airbnb and got some much needed rest. Like we were sleeping in every day, and it was good. We also had that big new moon also at the same time, and yeah, so it was good to just have some chill time and not really be busy doing anything. And then, like I said, we had this last minute trip to Vegas and Arizona pop up, so we started driving this way. So I've just been busy and I didn't vlog a lot of it, but okay, sorry, the maid was knocking. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I didn't really vlog a lot in Vegas for sure. We were only there for just, was it one full day? I think like one full day. And then we had to head over here to Arizona. But I did go have a pool day, which was so fun. I love just hanging out at the pool and being in the sun. It just felt good. But yeah, we weren't actually staying on the strip, so we didn't actually Vegas, I guess. And then oh, I guess we were there for 2 days, because the second day I went to the pool twice. That's right. Can I remember my life? Like this was just a couple days ago. Yeah. And then AJ had one of the days off, but yeah, it was just like so hot. So like literally went to the pool. That was about it. It was so hot actually. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know my little matcha. He's one of those little dumplings, like those mystery dumplings that you can get. AJ got me one, and I had it on my dash, and it totally melted. I have the Instagram video that I posted, and he melted, and so sad. I loved him. But yeah, it was like 106, and I never watched the news, and this morning the news, I was watching it because I was in the lounge having breakfast, and they were talking about how there was 2 deaths, little babies or toddler age, they were left in the car. And I was like thinking of my matcha, I mean, no comparison, I mean, that's somebody's like child, this was just a toy. But I was just thinking, I was like, yeah, like I try not to leave, like do not leave your pets, do not leave your kids, do not leave your mystery dumplings in the car, because it's a lot hotter inside the car than what it is outside even. So just a reminder, do not leave your pets in the car, do not leave your kids in the car, because yeah, that is just so sad. Anyways, what else do I want to talk about since we're having a little chat? Yeah, so that's kind of, yeah, we just had a pool day, and then we're only here, it's a 1-day lab here in Phoenix, so we're not here long. So I'm gonna just go to the grocery store, get something to eat. We started like a new show on Netflix, so we'll probably just watch that tonight when AJ gets off, and that's about it. And then oh, so we did when we were driving here, because from Memphis it is a what is it, a 3-day drive, I think, maybe 3.5-day drive. So for my mother-in-law, they did have a funeral, and we were lucky enough we were able to stream it. They streamed it on YouTube for us. They're actually doing, well, we're gonna go to Oklahoma, and they're going, my father-in-law is going to put her ashes and plant a tree for her, and we're gonna spread her ashes there. And we really wanted to be there for that, because I know that's, you know, where my mother-in-law would want to be with the earth. So we weren't able to go to the actual like little funeral that they had, but they did stream it on YouTube, so we were able to watch that, which was really, really nice, to be able to be there for it, even though we couldn't physically be there for it. But yeah, we are going to go back to Oklahoma here soon, and yeah, for when they spread her ashes, so that'll be fun. But yeah, it's just like, I feel like I've just had like a mix of emotions this whole entire month, like with it being my birthday and losing my mother-in-law, and she was just like the coolest mother-in-law you could ever have. I know a lot of people don't get along with their mother-in-laws. I was very lucky and had just the coolest mother-in-law ever. She was just like a free spirit, life of the party, loved everybody. Like, yeah, going to miss her for sure. But I mean, I believe that we never truly die, that our soul lives on forever. We have many, many lives. So I know she's just on to the next adventure. So, but yeah, if you're going through, you know, losing someone, like, I know how hard it can be, and I send you so much love, and just remember to be easy on yourself. Don't judge yourself. I mean, me and AJ were talking about just how, like, I've had lost different people in my life, and so has he, and it's just like your emotions and the way you feel, like, it's different every time. And sometimes, you know, I'm usually a crier and AJ's not a crier, so but it's just we kind of talked about, like, you know, like, everybody grieves differently, everybody deals with loss differently, and there's no right way. That's the thing, like, there's no right way to do it. Whatever you're feeling in the moment, like, honor that, feel it, and it doesn't have to look like how anyone else, you know, like, him grieving doesn't have to look at like what it looks like for me, you know, like, I don't have to look like what it looked like for him, or doesn't mean anybody loves anybody any less, and just everybody processes death differently, and he has different beliefs on death than I do. So it's just yeah, so we just had a lot of time together, and really, like, what I really want this year is just to be more present in my life. And I feel like even though I wasn't vlogging a lot, I've just been really present in my life, and I'm happy about that. And I hope you're being really present in your life too, because like I said, it's sweet and short, and I mean, it's long, but I mean, in the big grand span of things, life is short. We're just here for a little while here on earth, and yeah, so we should enjoy it and make the best of it, and just be present in the moment. Ooh, you know what? I heard this. Was it a song? Maybe it was, or maybe I seen it on like Instagram or something, but it said, I stopped chasing the future like it owed me something more. And I just was like, I feel that. Like, it's easy to get wrapped up in even just worrying about the future, thinking about the future, having your goals. But like, it's so important just to slow down and just be like, look where I am now. Like, I mean, you're probably like me, like a few years ago, this is like, you're living the life that you wanted a few, like 5 years ago, let's say. Maybe you now have the job, you have the kids, you have the partner. When we stop and we actually think about it, it's like, we're doing pretty good. And we don't have to rush through life. We can be present and just kind of enjoy life. And yeah, I think that's kind of what we've just been doing. Just kind of spending a lot of time together. I'm just really trying to be here for AJ, especially, you know, losing his mom. It's just really, it's sad and it's hard, but yeah. So what else do I want to talk about? I really need to go to the store. So I guess let's go to the store, guys. Let's go find something a little healthy-ish for dinner that's not fast food. Okay, yeah, see, there they are on the side of the building. Just chilling. All right, you guys, it is hot. It's so hot. Okay. So there is a Fry's. I actually used to live in Arizona, guys, so I remember the Fry's. It's basically a Kroger. That's what we call it in the South. But anyways, how cute is this bag? My sister got me for my birthday. I love her. She's so cute. She's so little and tiny. Perfect for traveling. Love her so much. She gets her own little seat right there. Anyways, all right. So let's go get some groceries. Okay, guys, do we want to do sushi? What is this? Oh my gosh. I love these things. Okay. Do I want that? What do I want? I think maybe I'm just gonna do these California roll with the salad, even though those looks really good. I think I'm gonna go with this one though. So many options. That's some nice fries. Starbucks. Alright guys, we're doing good. Got a rotisserie chicken for dinner. A little potato salad because I can't warm anything up. Peanut butter and jelly for the road. Of course, some chocolate. But I need to find Jell-O for AJ. Okay, AJ's going to be sad because I did not find the Jell-Os. He likes the Jell-O with the fruit in it, and they did not have it at this Fry's. So I got him applesauce, which I like the applesauce too, so it is what it is. But I did find everything else. I got a rotisserie chicken for dinner, and we're gonna have like a salad on the side. It'll be delicious for tonight. And then I got stuff to make PB&Js for the road tomorrow because we leave heading back to Memphis tomorrow, so it'll be fun. All right, and you guys, never forget to take your cart back, okay? To the cart corral. It's a must. You gotta return her to her home. Return her to her home. All right, let's go back to the hotel. There's also a Ross and a Target over there. There's a lot of cute stuff in this shopping center. All right, guys, so I just got back. I'm about to go take the groceries upstairs, and I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for coming to the grocery store with me and hanging out with us. And yeah, I'm gonna edit the video and eat my sushi. And yeah, we head back to Memphis tomorrow, like I said. And I will see you guys next week. Have a great day. Mwah.